Welcome to my channel, guys. We're going to be getting the drone up. We're over in Warrington, so we're at Breaks, and they do hospitality food for all the major pubs and restaurants, hospitals. Had a chat with the site manager, I think it was. So we're going to be getting the drone up and see what it's all about. There's a D-class airspace around here, so we're just going to be careful. We should be okay. We'll give it a go and yeah, see what it's all about. As you can see there, Breaks, which is not far off from the main gatehouse. As you can see there, you can see all the goods in area. To the right, just going to zoom down a little bit. You can see the security there. Staff car parking. As you can see, it's got a big car park. Down a little bit. See there, all the Breaks lorries, loads of them there. They're all getting ready to get filled up, I think. Ooh. Don't really know what happened then. Just going to go back a little bit so you can get a better view. Right, as you can see there, all the class 2 lorries there, they don't have huge hang on. We're getting a bit of interference here from somewhere. As you can see, yeah. So yeah, you've got all the Breaks lorries. I think they just deliver in the class 2s because of obviously the size of the properties they go to. Getting into pub car parks and so forth, a lot easier than taking a HGV. They probably have got HGVs about. As you can see there, they've got that's a pallet area. I'm just going to zoom into that. Go down a little bit, I think. Don't really know what that is. Got a bit of an RC detection here. Bit of interference. I don't think they've got any solar panel on the roofing. Not looking at it. It's quite a wavy roof. I'm sure it serves its purpose. I thought it might have had solar panel. It's quite a modern sort of building. According to the guy I was speaking to before, he was saying that this was built in 2013. So obviously signal interference. So we are right on the D space, but I think we're okay. Yeah, as you can see there, loading bays and the side, some sort of lorry wash park there, as you can see. Keep their lorries spick and span. There's a HGV trailer. See there, more lorries turning up. I'm going to go down and find out what that is. Yeah, so there's the containers for the fuel up all the lorries. They do have a wind flag. We'll go towards that and I'll show you. If you can find it. There it is. Yeah, so we got a wind flag there because they were saying that because of the Imodium they use in the freezer and the chiller, if there's a breakout, then they need to find out which way it's going, which is sensible. And that's about it really on on brakes. So it's quite a nice kept yard, very tidy. which you can see there. Pretty well kept. Very polite. Security was a little bit off with me at first. He's obviously got this other guy that came out, and he was fine with me. Yeah, very professional. It's a shame right at the beginning of the conversation you'll probably see a black screen, but you'll hear the audit on there because I had the lens on the camera accidentally. So just bear with that little bit. I'm going to get the drone back now to me, and then get on to the next location, which will be possibly Scania, or we might go further down near UPS. So we're going to get the drone back here and take it from there, really. We've got another few companies around here to do by the end of the day. Weather's nice, wind's not too bad. So we'll see how it goes. Anyway, if you like the views and the clips, please subscribe to my channel, and please like, comment if you wish, and until next time, I'll speak to you again soon.